The review problem. Investigation teams must connect people, accounts, devices, actions, and datative events without losing source context.
AI-generated observations are difficult to rely on when they cannot be traced to exact evidence. Sensitive data may be unsuitable for unrestricted cloud processing or cross-border transfer. Detection is not validation. Defensible review requires a human auditor to assess the evidence and sign off.
What Blast Analyzer is. A local-first forensic document and ERP analysis desktop application.
Multi-agent analysis produces a structured report with an executive summary, KPIs, critical alerts, cross-document relations, and recommendations.
Supported inputs include PDF, docx, x/CSV, XML, JSON, images, zip, and RR.
Including large SAF-TXML files. Every finding links back to its source so an analyst can inspect the underlying material in context. Nothing is auto-analyzed. The user decides when an analysis or ERP check begins.
Air-gapped mode keeps analysis fully on device through a local Ollama model.
Cloud-assisted runs can use Anthropic, OpenAI, or Gemini models when the case permits. PII is masked per run before any cloud egress. This is pseudonymization, not anonymization. Cross-border transfer notices make the implications of cloud processing visible to the reviewer. Teams can choose the processing mode case by case while preserving an offline path.
Analysis that leads back to evidence. Multiple agents examine the case and contribute to one structured report.
Findings cite the source file and page, row, or line together with a verbatim excerpt. Evidence chips open the exact source location in the in-app viewer. Cross-document relations help reviewers connect facts dispersed across different formats. Executive summaries and KPIs accelerate orientation without replacing source review.
Verifiable Evidence Layer. Evidence receives a probative weight grade from 1 to 5 for explicit prioritization.
Evidence chain reconstruction maps authorization to action to consequence to documentation to verification.
Deterministic verdicts expose the state of that chain, instead of relying only on generative interpretation.
User-supplied case evidence can be checked through SHA 256 manifests, JWS/JWT signatures, and PDF/PADES signatures. Cryptographic verification establishes the result of the supplied check. It does not, by itself, prove the truth of the underlying content or court admissibility.
Organize an investigation into episodes while retaining case memory across reviews, phones, and agent or service identities as numbered case objects.
Track accounts, IPs, devices, people, phones, and agent or service identities as numbered case objects. Build a timeline of dated facts and divide material changes into epochs. Produce a final longitudinal conclusion grounded in the accumulated case record. Use the Case Proof tab and Per Agent Decision report to inspect how evidence and agent decisions contributed to the result.
ERP observation and agent decision audit. Connect read-only through OData or REST, Dynamics 365, Business Central, or a generic endpoint.
The AI may propose what to read, but the application enforces get-only access, a row cap, input sanitization, no redirects, and an optional entity allow list. The connector never writes back to the ERP or management system.
Deterministic actor digests support comparison of audit trail and change document records.
Scheduled episodes remain user-controlled. Check Now collects an episode manually and never starts analysis automatically.
review. PII masking supports episodes, supports a GDPR-oriented processing posture, while remaining correctly described as pseudonymization.
SHA 256 custody fingerprints help identify the case material used during review. Right to Erasure support addresses GDPR Article 17 workflows.
Automated estimate labels address Article 22 transparency, with cross-border notices for relevant cloud runs.
Per-case retention reminders and human sign-off capture review status and a 0 to 100 reliability assessment.
Desktop and connector security. Offline node-locked licensing supports controlled deployment without a phone home requirement.
The local sidecar is restricted to loopback and protected by a per-process token and trusted host checks. An optional IT credential lock can limit access to connector credentials.
Repository intake contains symlinks within the approved root to reduce path traversal exposure.
ERP access remains least privilege and observational, with enforced read-only requests.
What differentiates Blast Analyzer? One desktop workflow combines heterogeneous document analysis, source-linked findings, longitudinal case memory, and read-only ERP observation.
Blast Analyzer. Evidence doesn't speak until everything is connected.